Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see how to cancel AutoPay in PhonePe. Firstly, launch the PhonePe app in your mobile device. Find and tap the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. It may show you initials or photo. Now, in the account menu, scroll down and select AutoPay to view your recurring payment setups. Now, you'll see a list of services or merchants with active AutoPay. You need to find the service you want to cancel, then tap Remove icon, typically a trash can or X next to the service. Now confirm the cancellation when prompt. Just a tip, double-check the AutoPay removal confirmation message to ensure it was successful, and consider disabling any linked UPI mandates if needed. Also, keep track of services to avoid unintended charges in the future. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.